Welcome, clever challengers. I'm the Jester Fox, here to trick your brain with 5 tricky riddles. Let's see if you're as clever as me. Riddle number 1. What is always in the middle of nowhere? Think carefully. The answer is the letter H. Did you know? Letters are the building blocks of words, and some letters like H actually appear more often than you'd think in English text. Next up, how do you spell cow in 13 letters? Take a guess. It's C-O-W. Here's something interesting. Riddles like this are called phonetic riddles, and they challenge your brain to think in sounds, not just letters. They're a great workout for your mind. Here comes riddle 3. What has a heart that doesn't beat? The answer is an artichoke. Fun tidbit, the edible part we call the heart is actually a flower bud. Artichokes are packed with antioxidants and are considered a super healthy vegetable. Ready for the next brain teaser? When it is alive, we sing. When it is dead, we clap our hands. The answer is a birthday candle. Little known fact, the tradition of birthday candles dates back to ancient Greece, where people believed the smoke carried wishes up to the gods. Last one, I can fly through the air but have no wings. What am I? The answer is a kite. Quick trivia. Kites were invented over 2,500 years ago in China and were originally used for measuring distances and signaling, not just for fun. And there you have it. 5 tricky riddles solved with the Jester Fox. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more playful riddles and brain teasers.